Yo, molweni namkelekile nonke kwezi Chisabe Entertainment guys. Do you now see the need why kufuneka i-cameras rolling eMzumbe 24/7? Zintoni ezisizixelelwa nguMacele ku-episode 21 season 9 of Uthando Nesithembu? And why is it that uMacele always has to go behind Makhumalo's back? Why engakwazi like ukumfacea uMakhumalo about izinto ebezithetha noTata Mseleko? uMacele had the whole time to speak to uMakhumalo about izinto yena ebesenhlizweni yakhe kwi-retreat, but she chose into yoba no, she's going to keep quiet. And then xa inoTata Mseleko, when they are together kungona akhuphayo, obviously uTata Mseleko akanazo answers, and thina as viewers we want the answers sana. So the reason as to why uMacele is doing this tell-all interview session, and does noba ndizoyibiza ngantoni guys, is because of into uMakhumalo ayitshiloyo ku-episode 20. Was it 20 or 19? Yes, it was episode 19. Apho ke uMakhumalo aveze khona into yoba we were driving back from shooting sinoMacele. I remember sasingasemgababa, and uMacele out of the blue ungixelela ngento yoba yena wagabiselwa nguTata Mseleko when she uMakhumalo was going to be a wife eMzumbe. Waxelelwa into yoba kuza uMakhumalo ngoku ozomzalela ingane, of which uMakhumalo uyatsho uba that is a duty that I was never told about as uMakhumalo. Ndava sendisiva ngoMacele into yoba kahle into endizeleyo apha kukuzozala abantwana. And so therefore uMacele was asking ntombazana, where are the kids? uMakhumalo uyatsho uba that is what she was insinuating that I have failed to do lento ke endiyibizelweyo kwaMseleko. And uyamfacea ke ngoku uMacele uTata Mseleko. So uMacele is confronting uTata Mseleko to say that even nawe awukho msulwa kahle because you were also ganging up on me the time uMakhumalo efika, saying that mna uMakhumalo bendingafuni into yoba makazotshatela kwaMseleko. It was not the case. Wena nabantu bakho nanisithi uMakhumalo mna andimfuni. That was not the case. Mna into endayibuzayo kuwe i-one is that, is this the same girl esadibana naye eMithi? So as a wife, I was really confused because when, as my husband, you said you would never dare ulobole okanye uchate nomntu already enabantwana. So don't you dare come here and tell me when you guys are getting upon me into yoba mna uMakhumalo ndangamfuni. I only wanted the answer, understand? And guys, uTata Mseleko, I think it was last season 8, apho wayehleli phansi noMpumelelo, saying the very same thing that uMacele is saying, toba ungaboze uthathe, never ever marry umntu onomntwana, never ever marry a baby mama. Even umntana kaMangwabe, we were only introduced to umntana kaMangwabe last year because I think Mseleko was carrying that shame of, believes it's a shame, was carrying the shame of indoba wathatha a baby mama. So uMacele uyatsho indoba, in fact uMakhumalo, the time esemzumbe nina nathi, she is going to be a helper, wayoba ngumncedisi wasemzumbe. So not only was she going to be a helper, there's a time whereby uTata Mseleko had also told the wives into yoba uMakhumalo uyoshaya isigubhu esontweni. There's also a time whereby uMakhumalo wayezohlala neingane. So ama-stories nje kaMakhumalo maningi. So this is yet another story that we are hearing from Macele into yoba wena kahle Tata Mseleko wawuthe uMakhumalo uzothini, uzoba yihelper eMzumbe. So i-director ke imbuze ke uMacele into yoba since uthi uMakhumalo wafika eMithi, then where is Makhumalo's child? Where is the child? I mean, I would love to see Makhumalo's child. So uMacele ke aphendule shame acho intoba the only people who would know about where the child is, I'm aware about wengane, is ubabakhe. I'm sure it's something that they had spoken about when beshadana ukuthi ingane ikephi. I'm sure into anga answerisha ke ubabakhe. Episode 21, Bushubile, right? uMacele further reveals that eMzumbe kwakukhona intombazana eyayihlala kwaMakhumalo, and le ntombazana lena was brought in by Uraru Musa behind Macele's back because yamazi uba uhlalaphi, uhlala eSiphakhe, and the other wives actually knew about this girl, and le ntombazana lena yayizile so that izothini, izoba yisurrogate kaMakhumalo. Uthi at that time mna ndingumacele I never got involved because vele uMayeni noMangwabe, they were part of this game abebeyidlala behind my back mna ndingazi. So now that kufike uSamke, they really got angered. Yabo, I think the people that said uMacele is using uSamke as a payback time to the other wives, I think they were onto something, because uthi uMacele at that time kufike a girl izomithela uMakhe, right? She did not get involved because it was something the wives ezasemzumbe, as the entertainer. But now that there's number 5, and now as uMacele has decided to back off and not fight utatumseleko xa esithi ufuna number 5, then they are angry. But at that time they made her a fool. So basically now it's their time to also be fools kahle kahle. I think that is what she was trying to say, uMacele, when she was talking about the time uThobile wayenomntu nina nanijabula, but now that I don't want to fight off number 5, now nina same people enanijabula, you are hurting. So the very same bed which you laid for me years ago is the very same bed that you guys cannot lay on. The medicine enaniselisa yona iyandikrakela ngoku, when it's time for you intoba manisele that same medicine njani. Yo, hi guys, eMzumbe. So then ke uMacele guys ayivale itopic ngokushare with the entire South Africa ke sana namaphethelo to say that ndiyanibona nje ninoMakhumalo nibheka phana uMakhumalo ezenza umuntu ingathi nje wena wamyekela babakhe IVF, you've always said no to it, but I know damn well that you and uMakhumalo have tried several times indaba ye-IVF. We understand. Yo guys, ifoni yami yavele switched off ke sana, but anyways ke guys, uTarumosa Mseleku ended up ke eziphendulela ngecala lakhe. Number 1, uyatsho uTarumseleku uba uMacele uthi yena waye wandibonisa. Guys, uyathanda ukuzenza ibaby uTarumseleku. Why ezoboniswa nguMacele that someone is pregnant? But anyways, uthi uTarumseleku uMacele uthi wandibonisa that uMakhumalo is pregnant. Uthi that part andikhumbuli kwayena endibonisa. Uthi andikhumbuli at all. Uthi I didn't know that uMakhumalo unengane. However, number 2, uTarumseleku uthi uMacele says, mina I told her that I would never marry someone with a child. However, I married uMakhumalo while she had a child. uTarumseleku uthi at that time guys, I genuinely didn't know whether uMakhumalo had a child or not. Uthi I only found out later about it, and it's not something that I want to dive on. I don't want to talk about it as I didn't find out about this information ngokwam ndingutatumseleku. Ndandihambe ndisiva amahemhem nguMacele, kukhona ne-family members akwamseleku, and then ne-community ethetha ngale about le pregnancy and uMakhumalo having a child. So iphele kanjalo ke indaba kaMakhumalo, guys, ayisejuicy. Hopefully, just how we got introduced to umntana kaMangwabe, that we had been speculating and hearing from our neighbors that uMangwabe has a child, amfihlayo. We are really hoping that, finally kule season ke sizomboniswa umntana kaMakheyi, lona ke according to uMacele owayemmeet the time edibana ke notata uMseleku. Guys, what are your thoughts about episode 21? Ndiyacela maske si-engajaneni down on the comments, and nizonibona shortly. Bye guys.